Today we're in Da Nang, Vietnam, and we're going to be doing a house tour with Mai from My Abundant Life. Let's see if she's home.
Oh, Evan, you're here?
This episode of the Cost of Living Abroad pod is brought to you by Aerlo, the world's first eSIM store. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little bit early.
That's okay, it's okay.
You wanna
What's up? Oh, thanks.
hop on the mic? Beautiful. So I'm super excited to see what you can get for $800 in a house in Da Nang,
Yeah,
Vietnam.
welcome to my house.
Yeah, thanks so much for having us. Wow, this place looks really big though, hey?
Yeah, it is.
Dang,
It's good.
beautiful garden. This is gorgeous.
There's fruits over here too. They always drop, but the season's almost done, so they're not coming in. Oh yeah, they're all gone.
What is it, like a papaya tree or something up
No,
there?
it's I don't know what it's called. It's a Vietnamese fruit.
Star fruit.
No, it's not star fruit.
Nice little motorbike parking for the kids. Little fish pond.
Yes, the little fish pond.
Oh, there's actually fishies in there too.
Yes, there is. It's a mess though. My little one takes care of it.
That's cute. All right, yeah. So this is a full family house, right? You're
Yeah.
obviously you're married and you got a couple kids too.
I got 2 kids. Come on, guys.
Beautiful.
Oh, can you feel the AC?
Yeah, wow. It's so nice and cool in here too. I thought for a minute it would be hot because it's such a big place.
No, the AC, we put it on the rooms and then it just comes down here to the living room. Yeah, this is my living room.
Wow, it's super spacious. Like,
Nothing crazy. This we bought this one and used a cover because I didn't like the color. But this one was from the landlord. They left it here. This is very traditional Vietnamese style couch.
yeah,
right?
it's like the
wooden.
classic woodwork.
It's the
super
wooden.
heavy.
Yes.
How much did it cost to get like an L couch like
Okay,
this?
so we bought this from our friend that used to live here. I don't know how much did she charge us. I think it was only, I'm gonna say 3-4 million.
It's like 150 bucks. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Usually back home this would be a
This
lot.
is cool. Like open concept right into the kitchen.
Yes.
Walk in. Wow, I wonder what the square footage is in here. And it feels like the ceilings feel really high too.
Yeah,
Like,
they are really high. I like that about that.
dang. Nice.
And then this is our kitchen. Some storage room here. We kind of just stuff everything in here. Sorry for the mess, everyone. But anyways, yeah, this is where our kitchen is. And then we have a laundry right over here. A washer and dryer. Usually a lot of Vietnamese homes don't have dryers, so luckily we got one.
Oh yeah, that's a score.
Yeah, and then we bought this water filter.
Water filter. How much is that?
I'll ask my husband when we go up.
Maybe yeah, $100 bucks.
He'll know.
Is there a little like yard outside area happening over
Yes,
there?
I never open it because there's so many mosquitoes, but we can come and look at it. Wait, see, I lock it up because we never go because of mosquitoes.
You worry about like safety, or is it just like a
Mosquitoes.
reflex? Mosquitoes. Okay. Breaking and
like-
entering mosquitoes. Yeah, let's have a peek.
Really nothing, Sam.
Oh yeah. So
I don't
it's
touch
just
it.
Your water heater in a little back area.
Yeah.
Probably, you know what? It's probably the kind of place where they would hang up their laundry before you had the dryer.
Oh, yeah, that would be a good idea, but no thank you.
Is this a
I don't
bath?
like mosquitoes. Yep, that's another bathroom. Hold on, you can
Yeah.
I can open it for
Very
you.
tiny.
Really basic, yeah, there you go.
Classic Viet style, right? With like every bathroom has a shower and bidet attached to the toilet.
Yeah.
Super simple.
All right, let's go upstairs.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's go. All right. So the first room is my kids' room. Oh, my little one's here.
Hi, sweeties.
Yeah.
This episode of the Cost of Living Abroad pod is brought to you by Aerlo, the world's first eSIM store. One of the biggest travel headaches is getting a SIM card. You land, line up, hand over your passport, pay cash, hope it works in a shady line. But now I use Aerlo. It's an eSIM, no physical card, no kiosk, no nonsense. You just download the Aerlo app, pick a destination like Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, or the entire Southeast Asia region. Install your digital plan 100% over Wi-Fi, and boom, the moment you land, you're online. Aerlo's great because you get to keep your original phone number and avoid expensive roaming fees. And if you run out of data, just top it up in the Aerlo app. Takes 30 seconds max. Aerlo works in over 200 countries and regions. And honestly, once you've tried it, you'll never want to stand in a sweaty, humid SIM card lineup at the Ho Chi Minh Airport or Don Mueang in Bangkok again. Scan the QR code on the screen or just hit the link in the description to download the Aerlo app today. Use my code EVAN at checkout to get $3 off your first eSIM.
What are you doing?
She's coming in.
What are you doing? Okay, this is their room.
Wow.
Don't mind, they cleaned it up for you.
Beautiful room.
Yes. The thing in Vietnamese homes, I noticed that they don't have closets, so you have to buy these.
Oh, interesting. So you've got like the exterior wardrobes happening.
Yeah.
There aren't like the open and closed
I usually
closets.
like closed closets, but whatever. This came with the house too.
Mm-hmm.
So they had something like this, but yeah, we kept it simple.
But it's a nice good sized room, and that's like a full queen size bed over there, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think that's actually a king. I'm not sure.
Do you like your room? Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then this is my husband and I's room.
Wow.
Because we like the view, so we chose this room.
Super bright, beautiful, and spacious.
Yes, I love the windows. Like I said, I need to buy more like little storage areas.
Wow, guys, gals, look at this view. This is like huge, beautiful picture window. Oh man, that's super nice. And even though there's traffic there, it's like completely silent. I don't hear a thing when that truck drives by.
But yeah.
Wow, nice.
And then we do have closets in here too.
Oh yeah, so this one.
Only one room has closets. So yeah, it's like, I don't know if I stuffed it. So it's pretty big size, right?
Yeah, so that's like you and your husband get like a full wardrobe in here.
And also there's a closet over there. So we kind of add some storage to that. I'll show you more like where we put all the storage because they don't have a storage room here. So it's another area for like clothes. So it's pretty big.
John's got the Bahama shirts going.
Yes.
Clutch. Another bathroom
Oh,
here.
another bathroom. Nothing fancy, guys. Nothing fancy.
Yeah.
And then my kids have this on the ground here.
Yeah, so classic Vietnamese style.
Yeah, Vietnamese style. Do you see that there was where the shower had? This was new to me the shower's right in the middle of the washroom.
Oh yeah, no, totally. Every bathroom just like has a shower like floating right beside the toilet. That is like
I know my kids
total standard practice. I'm so impressed though, like these beautiful flowers and greens. Look at this. This tree is like in full.
Oh yeah, you can go outside there too.
Yeah, I'm not going to because it's so nice and air conditioned in here right now. But
Yes. I'd rather stay.
It's nice too. It's like really open, little apartment building and a house across the street.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then the next room, Valentina, shouldn't you be doing some homeschooling?
I'm already done.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna
finish homework early. Bonus points.
Okay, so there's another washroom here. Nothing fancy again.
Okay, so third story. We've now seen 3 bathrooms.
It's so hot in there.
Oh, yeah,
There's no
super
AC
hot
in there.
here.
Yeah.
It's the exact same thing with the
Yeah,
shower
same
point.
concept. Very basic. And then this was supposed to be another room, but we made it into like a homeschool learning room.
Beautiful.
My office here too.
Hey everyone.
And yeah, we left the bed because it's too heavy to move. So if they want to relax, they can relax in this learning room.
I had a similar setup where I like took apart a bed like this for
You took
my
it apart?
office. Yeah, it was probably a bad idea, but it was great once it was gone. But I don't think I'm ever getting it back.
Yeah,
together.
like he was like, I'm like, can we take it out? He's like, no, that's too much work.
Yeah. Oh, nice. This is the setup. This is the full
Need to buy some
where
more.
the magic happens for Mai's YouTube channel. But I like the flower too. It's pretty.
That came with the house.
It's nice.
All right, and then you go up here a little bit, and this is like our gym room. This is supposed to be, most Vietnamese say, the prayer room.
That's how
But
you pack up your whole room.
so this is where we put the storage because we have nowhere else to put storage.
Yeah.
Right? In Vietnamese homes, they don't have storage rooms, so we had to make a room for it. So that's a room for it. This is our gym.
Nice. This is cool. So okay, let me do the count though. You got 1, 2, 3 bathrooms and like 4 bedrooms, right?
3 bedrooms,
Or
and
3
this
and a
is
half.
like, yeah, I guess you can call this a half because this could be its own bedroom, but
100%. Like you could easily have like, especially if they're bigger, like one of the girls have a bedroom right here.
Yep.
The other one have a bedroom right there, and then you guys have your bedroom, the master and office downstairs.
Yep.
How did you find it? What was the negotiation like?
okay, so at the time it was around March, we were looking for a home, and before that we were like looking for new homes, but it was really hard because I feel like there was a lot of competition and the market just went up. I don't know why the market went up. I think that's just busy time that a lot of tourist people were coming. So whenever we wanted to go see a house, it was actually like, if we say we're gonna come like the next day, they'll be like, oh, it's already done. Like, we already sealed the deal. Like, after like a couple hours when we asked to come see the house. We were like looking for homes, and it just took so long to get a home. So we actually knew a friend that she was leaving back to England, and she actually lived at this house, and she said she could talk to her landlord and maybe we can take over the house here. And that's how we found this house.
Nice. So friend of a friend, that's so classic. I always tell people, like, come find some quick solution and then take your time finding a long-term place, because when you get to know other expats, you get to know people, you can find real deals. So what's the budget for the rest of the place? What are the electric, utilities, obviously?
So I just got the bill right now. I can tell you right now. So the month of June, but you got to know, like, we were using AC like nonstop, like right now. It was like 4.1 mil.
So 160 US dollars.
Yeah.
Big, but it's a big house. I mean, the flip side too is that it's so hot right now for anyone watching. Like, this is peak. That's going to be the biggest bill of the year, probably July and June, right?
Yes, that's probably going to be one of the biggest bills out of the whole year. It's usually lower. I believe it's probably a lot lower. I can't remember. I can ask John. You want me to scream his name?
No, it's okay.
Okay, and then internet, we're paying 300,000. Dong, do you want to do
$12 US, yeah.
Okay, and water, and it says water in May, so I'm thinking we were paying water from last month, before that, which was 124.
$5 for water every month.
Yep.
Yeah.
Garbage collection was 30,000.
$1.
Yep.
$1.20. Let's be accurate.
And then that was it.
Nice.
We have to pay to the landlord.
Okay, so that's all in. That's even at the peak, like AC hot season. You're still under $1,000 all in for a massive house with 3.5 or 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and a big open space living area, a yard out front too. That's pretty sweet, man.
Yep.
And for the people watching, we're not going to reveal exactly where this is, but this is in Thuong too. This is in the supposed area where it is busier. It is harder to find places, according to the internet.
The one across the street of our house is, I think that's 70 mil.
The big villa over there.
They just renovated it, and it's 70 mil.
Okay, let's give them a peek.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this massive villa, it's huge too.
I think it's a 3-bedroom only, but there's a pool.
There's a big pool. You can just see by the footprint, it's got to be like, that looks like it's like, I don't know, 5,000 or 6,000 square feet.
And no one was in there for like last month or two. And then they just recently renovated it, and like we saw them posting it for 70 mil. Yeah.
So that's a little under $3,000 US for an enormous villa.